little video. This is not clutching. It's madness today, madness traffic today. 21st Friday, huh? Maybe that's the best way. Yeah. Excuse me. Saturday night tonight, everyone's got short skirts underneath. Well, what a day this was. It was a brutal ride in the morning, and right now it's quite an easy ride home because with all the traffic, I'm not having to ride so fast like I normally would do, and I can just take it easy. I'm getting cold in the traffic, so this is going to be a small mission because this road is closed here. It's got a narrow lane, so I'm going to do something not quite out of the ordinary. I mean, I normally just shoot into the pavement, but I got my trailer with me, but I'm doing it anyway. There we go. Whoop whoop! There's the rain. Right on. Whew. It's not nice when I was riding, when I was flowing before I got into the traffic. And once you got into the traffic, you stand still, you get cold. Now start moving again, and I was shivering on the bridge, on London Bridge, because it's been raining since I left. It's been raining the whole day practically, and my raincoat / windbreaker, it's not really for this consistent flow of rain, so I think the water starts to penetrate through into my cycling jersey in the bottom, and then my arms are freezing cold. On the Bank of England, as you can see. I don't know, but there it is. Dude, jeez. And how was my boy today? The way I think about you all the time. And I was talking to the solicitor this morning because, we had a chance to sit and, well, not to talk. I had some work to do, so I didn't want to over chat there. But he seemed quite confident, that the barrister was confident that it's going to turn out okay. Because I even said to him, I said, hey, I'm not focused on it so much anymore, although it seems like we're talking about it every day. Because whatever happens now. We've done what we needed to do. So all they can all do is just appeal that thing. So whatever, you know what I'm saying? But he's confident. He said the barrister's confident. So hey, so be it. I don't want to over chat about the same matter. And then we also had a little chat about he's blind, and the blinds that he wants to work. So that seems to be a new issue. But I did make him aware, not them, him. And I'm not going to overdo big work. And then he also came outside when I was working to say, so you're going to go back to South Africa? You're going to go back to Durban? So I said, yeah, I got to go back to Durban. I said, I feel like I've been locked up in prison these past 2 years. So, you know what I mean? I need to get out. And plus, I wanted to go pick up my family. So he says, oh yeah, okay, yeah, what about that? I said, yeah. So he just like gave a little naughty laugh at me to say, well, you know, I trust you. Well, not only, well, he doesn't know me per se, know me, but he knows me because of the case. like I'm running two families at the same time, you know, that kind of naughty laughing at his face. But he seems to know everything about the Nutana. I mean, I didn't hold back any punches, or I didn't hold back any information concerning the real truth about Australia is cutting. Yeah, and I did say to him, because he had at a moment he had a certain sort of like a concerned look in his face. I can't read him, I'm just assuming. That was probably, I'm going to kick it and not come back. So I said, no, hey. Well, here we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Woo! Oh, that was close. That was close. Thank you. Nice one. Even if you did nothing, I'll still say thank you, just in case. You know, I might need to get in the front. But yeah, just I said, no, I owe a lot of people. I ain't leaving this town until I'm square with everybody. I said, I'm not gonna do that. And I think he's more concerned about me and not coming back with this for the sake of doing work for him. So I'll honor this. I won't do work for anybody else like we discussed the other day. I'm not going to take on any big work, but I will do whatever I can do for him. I don't know. As weird as our relationship is, I do seem to like the guy. Because deep inside of him, he's got such a nice part, a nice good-hearted part. You know, the whole world, living especially in this town, yeah, you learn to have a few faces. You know, you learn to harden you up on the inside, so you're not. You don't really show your true side, and it happens with most people in this town that have been here for a long time. Nobody really shows their true self until they're comfortable and they get to know you slightly better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because it's potting. Yeah, exactly. I know what I should have done. I should have been up the fucking in the oncoming traffic. Driver, don't be mad at me. You know me. Easy when I can. I'll just get right. So yeah, you know, this town does it to people sometimes. Not sometimes. It's the norm. People got a few sides to them. You know, people learn how to manage their bipolar, tripolar sides, or their different faces, different masks. Which is expected, you know what I mean? Because this town can be a little bit, it can be harsh, it can be very, very harsh. So it's expected, you know what I mean? And deep in the heart of the town, deep in the hearts of most of the people, it's goodness. It's just plain old-fashioned goodness. People are, there's a lot of, everyone has got good and bad sides, but everybody hides their good. They put the strong heart for a mask. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's me hitting red robots again. It's clean for pedestrians. I don't give a damn. It's my time. Yeah. So, like I said, I've been on my mind the whole day. Well, almost every moment of every day. I get so eager, I'm so eager to want to be with you on stage now. It's like, you know, it just seems like, I know it's the same for you in some way or another, but it just seems like forever, but it's coming, it's coming, it's at our fingertips, regardless. Like I said, even if this thing doesn't come through and everything gets appealed and I can't leave to come and help you, I don't know how we're going to do it. I don't know how we're going to do it, but you traveling alone on stage, what's the matter? You traveling alone on stage, I really didn't want that. So pray to all the gods, you know, everyone. And in your heart just believe that the one supreme power, the one ultimate source by which everything is formed, it's formed in a weird place of a vibration of nothingness, but everything all at the same time. And inside there, it's not even a there, it's not even an inside, it's so, therein lies where it all stems from, and it all starts in the nothingness, but in the everything. So, we cross all our fingers and our toes, and we keep all these good vibes for the next few weeks, so that I can just jump on a plane with my bicycle. That's going to be a slight, maybe a slight mission for me, because I'm doing it for the first time, riding it, because I'm going to ride to the airport. I'll ride to the airport. I'll plot a bicycle box along the way. From a cycle shop, I'm going to do my homework in advance, because whenever bicycles shops buy bicycles, they come in a box and they throw those boxes away. So all I'm going to do is get one of those bicycle boxes, cardboard box, but nice, rigid, tough, with some inners, and I got whatever little bits, bubble wrap or whatever else I might take. This. My bike is hardcore, so I think my bike will manage all that kind of stuff. Just get to the airport with one bag, just with my 5-finger shoes inside to go on a plane. I'm sure there's shoes, so I'm sure I got shoes and clothes in South Africa. I don't really give a damn. I'm gonna be moving as light as I most possibly can. Just this one pannier bag I got here in the back, it's to the side of the bike, the black one. Whoop whoop! Hey, driver! Come on! Leave! With it. Yeah, and then I'll just duct tape a couple other bits and bobbies in my bag, good for wrapping, bicycle tools, loosen a couple of bits, take the wheels off, loosen the handlebars, turn them sideways so that they just go, the whole bike slips into the box, cycling shoes off, 5 fingers on, and then Bob's my uncle, Bob's your uncle, Bob's my uncle, whoever's uncle, yes. And then from there, whatever clothes I can change to is comfortable, because I don't want to move with my lycras. Get off the plane, get the box, get to Durban, get the box, unwrap it, put the bike together, poof, gone again. So that's how I'm gonna run. That's gonna be, if anyone can talk about a sustainable trip, a sustainable journey, that would be. And if you think about it carefully, in London alone, I would have saved, in London alone, from home to the airport, I would save at least, let's say 15 pounds, give or take. Okay, let's just say give or take 15 pounds. So 15 pounds is 15 pounds. So I'll little saving here, a little saving there. I'll still anyway. I can buy you a patels when I get back here. You know what I mean? I don't know what my dear son will have. I don't know what takeaways he needs, but not those takeaways, not those foods. Those foods are all got ghee and stuff inside, so I won't do it. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to just chilling for a while. Beach in the morning. I don't know what the weather's like. Take orbs with me. Can't go on the bike just yet, but we'll at least if I'm going to be there for 2, maybe 3 weeks, I can do a bit of riding in the morning just to keep my levels up. I won't go crazy and do it every day. And I can really start enjoying some of those hills, because I'll have the freedom to do some hills proper. Yeah. And yeah, not so much about me. Also got to give you a good spanking. We should do that first. That's what we're talking about everything else. We're getting, we've been fucking starved for a couple of years. Yeah. We're getting that fucking old, not thinking about that thing first. Huh? But you'll see just how much energy I've got when it comes to that. It'll be groovy. Groovy. Groovy, baby. I can't wait. I don't want to say too much, you know, this thing might go viral, you know what I'm saying? Because it's so long now, maybe I'll chop it up into bits, into a mini series. So yeah. Sugar. Fucking sweet. Yeah, babes, looking forward to it. So looking forward. And I'm looking forward to our simple life. Very simple, straightforward. We won't go fucking overboard anymore. Fuck all that shit. Nice, simple and comfortable. What more can we ask for? We already got everything else. We've got life, we've got these brains, we've got these big mouths of ours. We're both strong, we're both healthy. We're such a good kid. We've got two good kids. I know I keep not mentioning Lahke and forgetting Lahke, but it's not like I don't think about him. I always think about him. One of my green hearts constantly every day is for him. I'm not too sure where I stand with him. You don't mention him that often, maybe because I don't ask. So for that, I want to say sorry for not even including him, but he's always in my thoughts. Always, always, always. And I always mean to mention him, and I get so caught up with you and Sage that I tend to forget to mention him. We will make sure his school fees and everything else is up to date, and as best we can we'll ensure that he's always got something, because God knows he also deserves it. He deserves it. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm very sorry for that. But that you must also remember to say something about it from time to time. Not because I'm not thinking about it or not bringing it up. Sorry, because it sounds like I'm contradicting myself, but I'm not. My mouth blabbers off too quickly sometimes. But you must mention him. Tell me what's cutting him. Tell me what's cooking. What he's doing. It's also important that I know. So yeah. Oh, babes. I don't know. It's not my last year. I've got a few more gradual uphills coming up before I get home. But at least I'm north of the river. I should be about, let's say we now, I'd say about 3.5 miles away from home. Maybe half an hour, maybe less. It's traffic, Saturday today, everyone's driving their cars. There's no traffic, it's just everywhere. Trailer. Focus on the trailer. Go, Mom. Hi, how you doing? Well, all the ladies, Mom. Fucking half of them are my age too. I'm fucking calling them like they're older. Like I'm some young fucking spring chicken. Huh? What's all that about? What's all that about? Everyone's fucking in the pubs getting fucking drunk. I'm soaked. cold, wet on a bicycle. And as I'm riding through everywhere, I can just smell food. Everywhere is just food. Oh. Whew. So yeah, babes. Hey. Robots changing. Talking to you, I'm saying robots. I always say traffic light. Now I'm saying robots. The robo just changed. Just changed again. Oh, it's going to be such a relief getting home, but then I still got to unpack. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, I wanted to wrap this video up a minute ago, but where am I? Where am I? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I yacked a bit there, didn't I? So yeah, I'll try and send this one to you. 20 minutes, I don't know. I'll chop it. I can YouTube it, but there was some sexual talk, but who's going to listen to all our stories? I don't think anyone will listen to our stories. Some cars are hooting. I don't know who's that hooting behind me. Hold your horses there.